I'm Wilderness Willie. I'm going to tell you about the time I got attacked by a bear and had to survive for 3 days with my friend. All we had, we dropped everything, we kept our 12-pack of soda, we had a chocolate bar for s'mores that we couldn't make, a knife, a ton of cans, and a broken fishing rod that our friend broke. We also had a random piece of charcoal that we had in our bags for fires, and we had some paper to start up some fires with. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take your chocolate first, rub it all around here because the chocolate actually acts as a polisher. So you mix that up nice and good. Take your rag and start polishing. It's going to take a while, so you want to switch off with your friend every once in a while he gathers some supplies. Alright, and keep doing this for a little while. And you keep going, you're going to use up a lot of the chocolate, so eventually you go. So, some hours later, or minutes, or however long you take, it's going to end up looking nice and shiny. What you want to do is you want to take your can up, you're going to hold it in the air. You're going to find a light source. You need a light source. So, you're going to hold it at least an inch and a half or so away from it. Focus on that, get that on there. Then you're going to want to keep it steady for a while because it's going to take a little while to get hot. Alright, so I'm going to wait a little while. It takes a while. Go. So after a while, it's going to get to an ember, nice and hot, and bring it in and get nice and close. Takes a second to start up. Once you get that going, you got yourself a fire. And I have 4 cans right here set up to make a stove so you can cook yourself your fish that you eat with this nice fishing rod that I created from a soda can, the string that you had, the hook from it, and use some of the can for a shiner, for shiners. And you catch yourself a nice fish. Alright, so I'm going to show you how the stove works. Alright, so you're going to take that fire that you started, place it in the can, slide it right underneath here, and you got yourself a stove to cook that meat with. Get a nice fire going under there, and look at that, you got it right underneath the stove. You're about to cook up a burger. Alright, and that's about how we do it. Best part is, I wrote a book on how to make all this stuff, and some knives and some spoons so you can eat your food. And all this can be purchased for just $19.95, no shipping and handling.